President Donald Trump attended one of the U.S. military's most solemn traditions on Wednesday at Dover Air Force Base in Delaware, where he honored 4 American service members who returned home after being killed during the conflict with Iran. Joined by Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth, senior military leaders, and the families of the fallen, Trump stood in silence as military transport aircraft doors opened and honor guards carefully carried each flag-draped casket onto the tarmac. The president repeatedly saluted while the caskets were transferred with full military honors to waiting vehicles, paying tribute to the sacrifice of First Lieutenant Tyler James Feehan, Sergeant Angel S. Rampersad, Private Isabella Gonzalez, and Sergeant Michael Emmanuel Swinton. The dignified transfer marked an emotional moment as the nation remembered the soldiers who lost their lives in separate attacks in Jordan and Iraq during the escalating Iran conflict. With heads bowed and service members standing at attention throughout the ceremony, the procession reflected the military's highest traditions of honor, respect, and remembrance. The solemn event came amid growing tensions in the Middle East, following the deadly attacks, while President Trump has vowed that the United States will respond to those responsible. The ceremony concluded as the honor guards completed the final transfer, the vehicles carrying the fallen departed Dover Air Force Base, and Trump, Hegseth, and other officials quietly left the tarmac after paying their final respects to the 4 American heroes.